Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Braimoh.
Hi guys, Braimoh here. Welcome to my channel, the Farm Podcast. I just want to quickly stop by to say thank you for being so amazing for the past couple of weeks and how you've been supporting my channel. I will continue to give you the right content that will empower your financial behavior and also empower your mental well-being so you can live a well, beautiful, rounded life. Sometimes in life, we come across situations that really hit us very hard, and if we are not careful, they can impact us negatively. It becomes something we have to be very, very mindful of in terms of our financial behavior. It feels as though we are trying to limit you from spending your own money. That's very far from it. That's not the intention and that's not the plan. Budgeting is actually set out to help you organize your money very well. If you are the kind of person that loves to travel, budgeting will help you to make that happen quicker. When you are able to allocate certain amount of money towards traveling every month, certain amount of money is going into that travel costs. And when you are able to do that, let's say every month or every other week, you are saving up for that trip you want to go for. And budgeting is making sure you are able to allocate that money there at the right time. You can even set up a standing order where the money goes out of your account into that travel wallet. That alone is hassle-free. You don't need to start worrying about the money you need to travel because you're already having a system in place. You see the beauty of budgeting? So budgeting is not meant to restrict you at all. It's meant to help you allocate all your money towards different area or your financial obligation. For example, again, if you are investing into property, budgeting will give you a blueprint how you should be saving, how much you need to make this happen. So if you are able to actually allocate this money wisely using the features of budgeting, in no time, you'll be able to accumulate a certain amount of money towards that project that you're planning. So you see, guys, budgeting is the foundation of your financial fortune. It gives you a guide, clarity, shows you where your money is going. I hope with this, you'll be able to see budgeting as a partner that will help you achieve those financial goals in future. Thank you and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.